Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vinny the Handyman. Today's video, we're going to be doing a car detail of the inside. I hired a guy that I met at Home Depot. I was there, getting some plumbing parts. This guy cruises up and he asked, hey, can I detail your car? And I said, oh sure, I can't get a hold of anybody. Being that he was a really young man, I decided to give him the opportunity. So we're going to see that in today's video. Even though I'm a handyman, I'm a jack of all trades, I do not detail the inside of cars very well. So I'm still learning that process. So I'm going to hire it out to somebody else because time is not on my side as of now. So I'm going to hire it out to Max. Let's see what he can do. And he should be cruising up here any second. So looking forward to it. All right, so let's get to the video. And with that said, I got a confession, guys. I have not had this car detailed since I've owned it. It's the first time it's being detailed. We just had winter, so there was snow. It just wasn't the right time for it. But here we are. It's May. The weather's nice. So now it's time to get this thing detailed, baby, so we can take it to the next car show. So I'll be seeing you guys at the next show. All right, let's get to the video. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
You made it. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Staying busy?
Yeah.
Good deal. Awesome. Well, here she is. Yeah, do your thing. This is your first Lamborghini you've ever detailed? Awesome.
They're very small, obviously.
They're tight, yeah. Yeah.
But they're cool.
Good, man. What do you have? Okay guys, so Max was brave enough to come up to me at Home Depot. I was actually there to go, get some plumbing parts, of course. And Max came up to me, he says, hey Vinny, you got anyone who details your car? I said, no one wants to work. Everyone stands me up. So he was nice enough to come by and introduce himself, and he allowed me to use the services. So he did a great job, as you can tell, on the car. It looks fantastic. But one thing I just want to add is that I think it's important to give people chances. And what I mean by that is that this young man, he's actually in high school. It's his senior year, right? You're a senior? Okay. Senior. It's his senior year. And I looked at him, I said, well, you're awfully young to have a business. He goes, I go, how old are you? He goes, oh, I'm 17, I'm still in high school. Okay, so when he came up to me, I saw myself in him coming up as a young man. I used to do a lot of side jobs, whether it was, mowing lawns and washing cars or whatnot, just like everybody else. And sometimes that was actually to help feed our families. I had 7 brothers and sisters. Things got tough at times. So sometimes the little work that I did actually provided milk for the whole family. And that's just how it was. But anyhow, he came up to me and I said, hey, you're a young entrepreneur. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna give this young man a chance just to come detail the car. It looks amazing, by the way. So with that said, Max, what's the name of your business?
So the business that I have, it's Mountain Creek Mobile Detailing. And I'm opening up a Instagram and Facebook page. Yay. And to contact me, I prefer by number. So my number is 720-907-5258.
Okay, so Max, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So obviously, my name is Max. I'm from here in Denver. I grew up around here. And then from my dad, I was taught to always have something to do, always have a way of income. My mom also. To always keep working, never sit down, never settle for less, just keep working, never give up on what you do.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. And how old are you again for our viewers?
I'm 17.
17 years old, you guys. My gosh, like he's starting early. He was raised good. His parents teaching him at a young age. That is so awesome. Yeah. I think he's going to go very far in life for sure. What are your end goals, Max?
My goal is at least right now for now, is to build more customer base so I could have multiple vehicles per weekend where I could go and maintenance them and possibly have like even other people in separate vehicles or like have workers to go out there and do it for me.
Awesome, and I think you're going to do well.
So, being that this is his first Lamborghini detail, he's also never been in a Lamborghini, so we're going to go for a cruise. You ready to go for a cruise? Yeah. All right, brother, let's go.
Let's do it. Enjoy it. You might as well. You know, you cleaned it, you might as well take a drive in it now.
Yeah, I'm on this.
All right, Max is going for his first ride, guys. All right, let's do this, boys. You guys, what do you think? Not bad for our very first detail. Max did an amazing job, you guys. This car just looks even better now that Max has put his magic touch to it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.